Hello, my name is Narishida. I'd like to invite you to come to our talk, Repairing DoS Vulnerability of Real-World Regexes. DoS is a vulnerability that exploits the complexity of backtracking-based regex engines, such as those in the standard library of Python, Java, and JavaScript. Due to the widespread use of regexes in practice, DoS is a significant threat to our society. Fortunately, we have a lot of good tools for detecting DDoS, but unfortunately, we do not have a tool for repairing DDoS, and the problem of repairing DDoS remains largely open. To make matters worse, repairing DDoS is hard because it requires deep knowledge of regex engines, or regex is simply too complex, and so on. In our talk, we introduced a tool called Remedy that automatically repairs DDoS vulnerability. Remedy can handle real-world regexes that have extensions such as back references and lookarounds. We hope to see you at our talk.